Today we're going to be showing you how to reset your service reminder on your BMW R1250 GS or GSA using the Hex GS-911. If you need one of these, you can click the link in the description below to pick one up. And once you have one, you do need to get it registered and connected to Wi-Fi. We've got a separate how-to video that guides you through that process if you need help. So go check that out. For now, we're going to head over to the bike. Now to reset the service reminder on the right side of the bike, we're going to remove this cover. Use my T25 to remove that screw. And then there's two tabs that go into these grommets right here. Just pull that cover off. Now right here in front of the battery, we have our OBD2 port. There's a little tab holding this piece in place. So I'm going to push in on the tab and pull this up. And it's resting on that guide. So with this out, I'm going to press in on the tabs on each side and we're going to remove this cover just like that. Now we can take our GS-911, we'll plug it in. And at this point, I do need to turn the ignition on. So we are not going to start the bike though. I'm going to go into the app, connect to the bike, go to detected vehicle. Then we're going to scroll down. I'm going to go to service reminder, click service reminder functions, reset service reminder. And then we're going to hit the reset service reminder to default. So that's 1 year or 6,000 miles from now. If you want a custom date or mileage, you can put that in. But we're just going with the standard. So that's all set. Now, for any reason you want to use a custom date and time, all you need to do is click that button, put whatever intervals you prefer, and then hit continue. It should save it. And then you can go to that home screen and you are good to go.